Welcome to the channel show, folks. Today, got a few things. Got a microphone. Maybe my videos won't be so distorted now. Finally pieced all that together. So we're getting that there. Today, we're going to fix old Snaggletooth here. You can see, people's welded plates onto these teeth. They're so wore out. Just for a size comparison, look at that. These are what came with the excavator. It's the bucket that came with it. And yeah, that's a good 1.5 inches, maybe a little bit more, wore out. So I ordered a total of 5 teeth. Yes, I only got 4, but I'm gonna have an extra, so let's beat these out and get the new ones on and have us a good bucket with some good teeth. Stay tuned. First things first, I'm going to have to beat these little pins out. So I'll need to find something to beat those pins out with. Let's see if we can fire up a torch here and see if we can do something. Am I just black in behind the camera? I bet I am. Alright. We're going to throw a torch to it because clearly what I was doing is not going to work. Fire up the old trusty dusty metal liquefied fire. I'm bending every bolt that I got. They're not a very big, it's not a very big pin. Yep. It's a long way to drill, but I guess we're gonna try to drill it out. So I got me a drill bit on here, got me some cutting oil. I'm gonna go right down the center of it. And that drill bit is shot. Let's throw this drill bit away. Yeah, I don't think I'm drilling them out either because I believe they're hardened still. So we're gonna put the trusty number 5 shades on. And yeah, we're gonna melt them out of there. Now let's hit it with a bigger pecker. I've got it melted down into it on both sides, so. Well, I've got the pin out, so that should come on off there, but What am I supposed to do now? I know my ears ring for beating on the daggone thing. Let me think on this one a minute. Well, while I've got the heat out, I'm gonna go ahead and torch these other ones. Try to get them melted in as much as I can, and see if I can at least get the pins out. If I can get the pins out, and I can't get none of these off like I did this one, I guess I'm gonna take it over there and start. I got a rock shelf over here, and if that's the case, I'll probably take it over and start digging on that rock. That'll eventually break these things loose, and they should start falling off. So that's the wrong way. It'll be alright. Try to burn some more into it. Well, safety is my third priority. I have no idea, people. I mean, I about can't get any tougher than that. I don't know what to do. Didn't budge it. That is deafening. Like, hurts my ears. And my ears are already junk. That one's a coming. Oh! Oh my goodness! Well, I filled that one back up with that threaded bolt. When the sparks start flying that bad, I'm getting upset. That one's out. Time to take a breather again. Alright, we're back. Breather done for now. Hit again. Like I said, I can see through this hole, so I'm gonna throw a torch to it yet again. Now, how to get them off. Whoa! That's still stuck in the ground. Well, just like we thought, that didn't really do jack crap that we wanted it to. Go bigger. Probably go wash this bucket out and then I guess fire up the old torch again and try to get the whole tooth hot. Maybe it'll expand off of the shank and then smack it with a hammer, I guess. Yeah, probably what I'll do. I guess we're gonna torch it again. Should probably clean the end of this. Helps if I turn the gas back on. One. Hey, there's one tooth off. We're gonna have to clean that up a little bit with a wire brush. We'll see before I get all these taken off. I think I'm gonna make sure this fits, and then I'm probably gonna go to Lowe's and get some grade A bolts because screw fighting with them pins if I ever have to replace one. Don't know about it. Yep. I think that'll work. So let's heat the rest of these up and see if we can't get them off. There you go. Could just torch the whole thing off. Like just start cutting at it. I go in there and start editing my video, I realize that the audio on the whole end of it is completely gone. So I get a mic, I get a GoPro adapter, of course, and yeah, it just cut out. So I don't know why, but so here's the teeth. I got them on. I went and dug around in some rock. I don't know if I'll put that in there or not because the video's getting kind of long of me just beating on these, but I did get the paint knocked off of them. They held up really good. Some of them's a little on the loose side, but I ended up cutting the bolts off. I ended up cutting the bolts off that was sticking out, so it's just flush with the nut. And it took a little bit of beating, but I mean, how big that is versus how big the actual tooth is, it's not that much of a difference, maybe double. But yeah, it done pretty good. So as always, I appreciate y'all tuning in to the Chelton Chelton Show. Thanks for watching the Chelton Show, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.